Class 12, let us continue the chapter exercise 7 integration by parts. We have completed up to 30. Now this is sum number 31. What is the question? Integral x dx by 1 plus sine x. 1 plus sine x. What we have to do? We have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by its conjugate term of the denominator. Then what we will get here? We will get 1 minus sine x into 1 plus sin x here into x into 1 minus sin x dx integral. So it is coming x into 1 minus sin x by a plus b into a minus b is coming 1 minus sin square x. That gives us only cos square x. Only cos square x. So what we will write, integral x into 1, that means x. Okay, write one thing. 1 by cos square x, that gives us 6 square x minus sin x by cos square x. 1 sin x by cos x. Already this type of sum we did last few sums already we did like this. Sin x by 1 cos x we will take as tan x, and 1 cos x will remain, that we will take as sec x. So what we will write, tan x sec x, tan x directly we can write sec x tan x. Sin x by cos x, 1 sin x by cos x, 1 cos x we will take with sin x, and 1 cos x, 1 by cos x will be there, that we will take as sec x. Understood? Now this is x integral sec square x we can write. So now this part we will, this algebraic part, that is x, we will treat as u function, and the whole integration, this part, that means x square x minus sec x tan x, this factor we will take as the v function, as this is the trigonometric function. Okay, so x integral sec square x minus sec x tan x minus integral d dx of x into integral v dx, means the whole thing again. So it is coming x integral sec square x, means integral sec square x we know that is equal to this part, integral sec square x is equal to tan x, ddx of tan x is sec square x, and integral sec square x is tan x, minus ddx of sec x is sec x tan x. So integral sec x tan x is only sec x. So it is coming tan x minus sec x, tan x minus sec x. Okay, for this minus integral. Now ddx of x is 1, and integral sec square you will get the same thing. So what we will get here, tan x minus sec x, tan x minus sec x dx. Okay, so what we will get here, x tan x minus sec x minus integral tan x means log sec x. So write here log sec x minus log sec x plus tan x, sec x plus tan x plus sec. Okay, let's just open the bracket only, otherwise it is completed. X tan x minus sec x minus log sec x. You can write minus log sec x, or sec x if you want to write as 1 by cos x. Then it will be 1 by cos x, means cos x whole to the power minus 1. So that minus and this minus, we can write this as cos x. Understood? Sec x means 1 by cos x. Cos x means cos x whole to the power minus 1. So that minus 1 and this minus 1 we can write as cos x plus, and we can write this as cos x. So it is coming plus log cos x. Okay. And this minus and this minus, it will be plus log sec x plus tan x plus c. This is the answer for sum number 31. Next sum number 32. Let me rub the board. Now integral x minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. This is the question. So what we will write, just split this two, that means x by 1 minus cos x dx minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. Okay. Now 1 minus cos x, we know that is equals to 2 sin by submultiple formula, x by, this is coming 2 sin square x by 2 dx minus sine 2 theta, we know 2 sin theta cos theta, so sin theta will be 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. This is the formula, submultiple formula. So for sin x we can write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 whole divided by 1 minus cos x is again 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, so these two will be cancelled. Sin x by 2, sin x by 2 will be cancelled, and we will get only cos x by 2 by sin x by 2. That gives us cot x by 2. And here it will be half integral x by 1 by sin square x. We know that is cos square x, cosec square x. So here cosec square x by 2. So directly we can write x cosec square x by 2 dx minus integral, it is coming cot x by 2 dx. Okay, now half, here x integral cosec square x by 2 dx minus integral d dx of x integral cosec square x by 2 cosec square x by 2 dx whole integral dx. Okay, and log minus cot integral cot x by 2, that means log sin x, we know log sin mx by m. So here will be minus log, for this minus log sin x by 2 by half. Okay, so half, this is coming integral cosec square x by 2 means cot x by 2 by half. So it will be minus cot cosec square. So it is minus x cot x by 2 by half minus integral, this d dx of x is 1, and integral cosec square x by 2 again minus cot x by 2 by half. So minus cot x by 2 by half dx close minus half is there, so we can write this as whole to the power minus half by half too, so it will be minus 2. 1 by 2 is there, so it will be minus 2 log sin x by 2 log sin x by 2. Okay, and now let me rub the first part, otherwise some mistake one. Okay, so next is half is there and 2 into half, so this is we can write minus 2x. This is 1 by 2, so it is minus 2x cot x by 2 minus 2x cot x by 2, and then minus minus plus again 2 integral cot x by 2 cot x by 2 dx closed minus 2 log sin x by 2 minus 2 log Sine x by 2. Okay. Now it is coming half of minus 2x cot x by 2. Cot x by 2. And this is 2 and this is integral cot x by 2 again log sine x by 2 by half. So we can write plus 2 log sine x by 2 by half. Okay, closed, minus 2 log sine x by 2 is equal to half. So we can cancel this now. No problem. So it is coming actually 2 cancel, minus x cot x by 2 and 2 again we can write only once and then plus 2 log sine x by 2 sine x by 2 minus 2 log sine x by 2 plus c. Now these 2 and the plus 2 and minus 2 we can cancel. These 2 will be cancelled. So answer will be minus x cot x by 2 plus c. This is sum number 32. Okay, next sum coming with new video.